Hey guys, and welcome to the BrickBox news, and some very good news for Family Guy fans, of which there are many of us. In the spring of 2014 we will be getting some K'NEX Family Guy sets. Now these will of course include all your favourite Family Guy characters, including Peter, Stewie, Brian, and we will be getting the Family Guy station wagon as well, and Stewie's time machine. And as you can see from the picture being displayed, this does give us a tantalising glimpse of what we are to expect. So there it is, K'NEX Family Guy coming in the spring of 2014, so keep your eyes peeled for those. Well, thanks for tuning in. I will see you next time here on the BrickBox, but until then, brick on.